Alright guys, that's right, we got tail lights for the Mustang. If you guys haven't already, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. On my last video I posted my tail light driver side wasn't working, so I went and ordered the Euro's clear tail lights, and they look real good on the black Mustang, so I went ahead and bought it, and we're gonna install it. This is not really a how-to. There's a lot of how-to videos if you guys are looking into it. It's pretty simple. You have your wires that go into your brake lights. Everything is like a plug and play. You just gotta hide the wires. That's kind of the only thing that you really need to do. Take some stuff apart, put some stuff back. So we're gonna go ahead and install this on the Mustang. It's a nice day outside today, so let me go ahead and take this thing out real quick. Got nice so far. They're gonna look real good on the car. Alright, cool, let's get this going. As you guys can tell, it's a nice day today. Decided to look out in the sun. So we're just gonna swap those out for this, guys. Alright guys, I kinda already started, but basically what I'm doing is I already got the cover off, and it's pretty simple. Just bolts, hand tighten, like so. All you do is just loosen it off, and this whole piece right here, if I can get it out without, comes out like so. Okay, put this guy down. Then all we're gonna do is pop this little bolts or clips that are in, pop this out, and then we can move this out of the way. And as you can tell, just unscrew it right here, and just like so. Alright, bam. Same thing down here, right here actually, bam. So what I'm gonna do, there's two here and there's one there, so keep in mind there's three bolts that you need to get off. You guys can't really see, it's kind of a shadow, and that would and the clip actually is gonna be in there as well. Let's see if I can move that. You guys see it? Unclip that, and once you get those bolts off, this just slides off easy. And I'm pretty sure this top part also pops off, and we'll transfer that to our new tail light. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and after that, only thing that's gonna be left for me to do is the this wire part. Just plug everything, really. Not really doing any much of the wires. Just make sure everything's plugged in. So let me do that real quick. like that. Tough. So, boom. This 1, 2, 3, and you clip, and you're done. Just gotta take this top part off, and I think it just pops up. Yeah, there it is. Just gotta make sure. Don't want it to break. Okay. Let's take the other tail light off. I guess we can test fit this one on that side real quick and see how it looks. Alright guys, so just test fitted. Tell the difference. Big time. It looks way better here. I like it. So what I'm gonna do is actually I need to transfer some stuff from that tail light on that one. There's a clip in here, guys, just a heads up. That goes in this part, clips to the back of the bumper. I'll show you here on the other tail light here. So I need to get this clip right here. See it? That hooks right in the back of the bumper. So I'm going to remove this, and then I'll take this off and I'll transfer it to the new tail lights. Then I'll remove that one and install this one. So for now, real quick, I'm going to just take this off. It's really easy to do. And then we'll get to transferring stuff over and then the wiring. Alright guys, so I put both of them on. After a little bit, I went ahead and got the wires in. I'm not done. I have to go route it, hide it, but I just connected what needs to be connected there. Short one goes to the short one, the long one goes all the way in here. And then I ran it all the way up there where I plugged it in. And I got them on. They look good. So close this real quick. Oh, close it. There we go. See, it looks good. Let me get my key here for you guys. And again, this is not really a how-to. There's a lot of how-to videos out to install this. It's really simple, guys, not hard. The instruction book is here. You guys want to make sure you follow the steps that it shows you to do. I'll show you in a minute, but here. Yeah. Definitely liking it. Woo! Zoom out. Let me know what you guys think. Does this not look good on the black cars? To me, in my opinion, it look wonderful, great, beautiful. This matches. It's like it was meant to be. The red looks good too. Not gonna hate, but yeah. So like I was saying, guys, you wanna you open this. You guys here, it's pretty simple. Before you use, if you guys want to follow, sorry about that, follow the instruction. This is just your power switch vehicle. It tells you everything. You want to go through it very carefully. And when you see the rotate light switch 4 times, it means just go. It tells you on and off 4 times, and then you're gonna do with the brake pedal as well, and your hazard lights. and it's pretty simple. Once you do that, everything should be good to go. Give me a second, let me do the hazards real quick. I gotta go through the modes as well, so so hazards, cool. Turn that back off. Yeah. So yeah, but basically that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I do need to install that back on, but yeah, if you guys enjoyed it, hit that like, and make sure to subscribe if you're new. More stuff to come. My plans for this is lower it, a nice lip, nothing too crazy, and yeah, it's just my daily. So I have the Supra that I'll make look a little crazier than this, but a nice little wing is next, so stay tuned for that one. So hopefully you guys liked the video, and I'll catch you later. Make sure to wash your hands, keep your distance, and stay safe.